Well, hey guys, this is my review of the Logitech Streamcam, the new 1080p with 60 frames per second, also including the USBC hookup. Just picked this up just a few hours ago. Wanted to show you the details of it and give you an official unboxing. It's also great for Windows and Mac. We'll be using it on the Mac today. So let's dive right in. Let's not waste any time. Whoa, that was quick. Wow, right on top, you have a little protector here, some little instructions on how to do what, but man, that was right on top. Okay, wow, this is a lot bigger. Whoa, this is a lot bigger than I anticipated. Wow, okay, so let's pull this out. Some little paperwork in there, don't need that. We got all these dangles and dongles. Don't need that. All right, wow, this is actually surprisingly bigger than I thought it would be. This looks like, well, let's listen to this peel off first. I love that sound right there. And yeah, this is actually a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. It was gonna be a lot smaller. What we have here is the good old rubber grip. Yeah, it's adjustable. This is foldable. This is foldable. It's really nice. And then it looks like on the back here we got a strong cable. It looks like this pops off, but I'm not too sure. Oh, this is a nice feature. It swivels. It's a nice feature. The camera looks amazing. You can look at the details of that. Camera looks absolutely phenomenal. Turn it out. Here you can see USBC on that. Great. And it also comes with another dongle dingle. This is if you want to put it up on a tripod, which is a great added bonus there. I love that. Great feature. All right, let's check it out. That's all that comes in the box. Let's check it out and try out the quality right now. All right, guys, so far I have the Logitech plugged in on the laptop, and it does go two different ways. It goes horizontal and vertical. However, it's very heavy. It's actually very heavy, so I might gotta put it on my other monitor. All right, guys, the next unboxing I'm gonna show you is the Philips E-Line. It's an LCD monitor with ultra wide color, full HD, 1920 by 1080. It's got flicker free, which is really important in Europe. If you guys don't know that the hertz that we need to pump out on the screen is 50, so instead of 60, which is like in the US. We got low blue mode, Smart Connect, and Smart Image, whatever that means. Ultra narrow bezel, free sync. I'm not really sure what that is yet. Wide viewing angle, ultra wide color. All right, let's open this up and see what happens. Real up close. I got you guys real up close here today. All right. All right, here is the base with some plastic on it. Okay, I gotta do this with two hands. If you're like me, you'll definitely enjoy this. Okay guys, now I'm gonna show you the difference in quality, side-by-side view of the Streamcam and the 920C, so you can see for yourself the difference. All right, so one of the things I do wanna show you first is this is gonna seem kind of weird once I do this, but Logitech does come with a software that you can or should probably have on your computer. You're probably gonna need it to get the full features of the Streamcam. There's also what some people like is the auto follow. So I'll see if I don't know if I can shrink this down or anything, but yeah, I don't think I can. So basically what you have to do is you have to go into your settings. So I'm under source 1, I have the Streamcam. I like the fact, by the way, they do have a light and dark mode, by the way.
It's pretty cool. Then you want to jump down here to auto framing. So this is the auto framing feature right here. Okay, so as you can see, it just zoomed into my face. Now I'm going to move to the side and it's going to follow me automatically and zoom in, and I'm going to follow me over there as well. So, and to zoom in. So this is good if you like to have this feature open and you tend to move around a lot. Maybe you're standing and doing a presentation. The only thing is with this auto framing, like as you can see, it's stuck here right now. In order to get that back into play, I would have to move around a little bit more. So it's okay. I personally actually don't use it. As you can see, it's trying to follow my face. I would say it works pretty much 80% of the time. It's a really good feature. The only thing is you have to have it open at the same time as you're running any other additional software. So you have to have the Logitech Capture software open and being used at the same time. They also give you this whole control panel of features where you can take a picture, record right within the Logitech software. So not sure if that's something you're looking to do, especially with a lot of other software platforms that we typically use, whether it's vMix or OBS or whatever you're streaming with, or Ecamm. The reality is you're probably not going to use this Logitech software. So that auto framing feature for me, I usually have it turned off. Okay. Now there's also an autofocus feature. You can make everything manual or automatic. I pretty much have all those automatic. Now, one of the things I really liked about their software and this feature, which is actually mandatory for me, is the anti-flicker. I have to have it on 50 hertz because I'm in Europe, which is not too much of a common thing. It doesn't really happen so much in the United States because of the camera settings that people have. But the light bulbs, the light bulbs that people have here, we have to run it at 50 hertz because of the flicker. Otherwise, everything will be flickering in the background. So that's really the difference there. There's also a backlight correction. Now I have this on auto. I'm going to change this right now and you'll see how it kind of brightens it up a little bit. This is actually right now because this setting, sometimes I film at night. So this setting would be better for right now during day. Otherwise you can see this really kind of blacked out. See how the white balance is like really high right now? See that? Yeah, it's just like extremely high. So that's that. But here's that difference. Now I'm going to turn on the other camera. Okay, I'm going to turn on the 920. Okay, and that is the 920 right there. Okay, so we have, as you can see, we have the flicker on. So let me turn that off so you get a better picture. Okay, so, and this is what I've heard is the biggest difference. By the way, this is not really me changing any of the features. You're seeing a blue in the white balance. You're seeing a blue and white. I can adjust the cool settings here. Well, that's a little too cool. But if I turn it on auto, it does that. Here's the biggest difference. If you're wondering what's the biggest difference between the 920 and the Streamcam, is the coloring and the white balance. So I'm going to switch back. You're going to see the difference again right here. Boom. You see that? So the white, I think the flicker is back on. Okay, so the white balance there is extremely higher, even in other situations, other scenarios, other office environments. This is my private office. The lighting, there's two lights like right here in front of me, and it's a lot higher. If I was in a darker setting, also it does have a whiter balance to it with the Streamcam. If I go back to the 920 here, okay, let me adjust the anti-flicker again. There you go. So that's the difference. So you see how it has a darker tone to it. You're getting more of the red here, and also, oh, this hand. See how the white balance is not strong as much? It's not that bad, right? So you can see the difference. Also, the frame rate is pretty good. Here's the frame rate for you. One of the differences in regards to frame rate and autofocus is right here is the 920 takes a little bit longer. So here we go. Ready? Watch. All right. You can see the delay there, right? Now watch on the Streamcam. Streamcam is like really instant. Let me make sure the anti-flicker is off, okay? And I'll leave the auto white balance on. Why not? All right, ready? Here's the difference in the Streamcam. This is the Streamcam. Ready? You see that? instant. Like my face is still in focus there. Not much of a difference. So you do have some of those features. So for example, if you are gonna show off a product or a mug, ready? So here we go, best office ever, bam. You see the difference there? You see how my face doesn't autofocus? It doesn't like take a few seconds. I'm gonna go back to the Streamcam. Excuse me, I'm gonna go back, I apologize. I'm gonna go back to the webcam right here. So watch how long it takes the delay to autofocus back on me after I put this in front of it, okay? Let's do that. Oh wait, it's still on me, hold on. There you go. All right, see how this is just a slight delay? It's almost like it takes about, it's almost not visible, but it's literally just like a 2-second delay of it refocusing and also, you know, fixing the balance, the color balance on everything. So you can actually see how it just kind of fades out like that. You see that? That is the 920, okay? Streamcam, you're not gonna get that so much. Let me just fix the auto flicker. You're not gonna get that as much, as you can see right here. You're not gonna get that as much. So I'd say the 3 things that are really great about the Streamcam: 60 frames per second, the lighter texture and the auto balance that you can see in the features there, and then also USB-C. Okay, I think that's the best feature. Seriously, there's not a whole lot of difference when it comes to the technical side of it between the 920C, and I think the USB-C port is really good because you can literally take it with you on the go, whether it's with a laptop or an iPad. You can literally just plug in your Streamcam. Here's the downfall, I think. I think the Streamcam is a little bit more bulkier than the 920C. But if you don't mind that bulk and you really care about USB-C, then Streamcam's the way to go. Hey, listen, I hope this review was helpful for you. And if it was, let me know. Give this video a like so other people who are looking for Streamcam, they can be notified about it and also see this review. And or if you have any questions, post it in the comments below and I'll get them answered for you. All right, see you later.